Okay, in today's video we're showing you Wayne's van. He's come and had a 750 litre two-man system set up. It's actually the second van that they've had installed with us within their family. His dad came and had one a few weeks ago and they were that impressed they've come back for a second one. So this tank's, as I say, 750 litre, set up to be worked in a hard water area, so it comes with our 4-stage auto fill and flush RO system. It's also got 2 raised reel platforms at the back here, so that raises the reels off the floor and just creates a little bit of free storage space underneath the reels for you to store some other equipment. Customers opted to have these safety speed controllers added to the van. That basically gives the electric reels some intelligent brains and gives a lot of sort of safety benefits. Customers also opted to have underfloor hose guides so he can work with his doors closed, and these are our new stainless steel mini guides, so they take up a lot less space than the traditional guides we see on the market. Another feature Wayne had was the electric reels with the safety speed controller combined with the underfloor hose guides. So that basically allows you to wind the reel in and use the reel with your back doors open. Oh, sorry, closed. So this motor is currently set on speed 4, which is the fastest. You can slow this down. Okay. Let's just pull that out again. Okay, so we'll knock the controller down to speed 1, just demonstrate the speed of that. Okay, it's wound all the way in. Turn that back up to speed 4. And it's installed into a full custom sport van. He says he's actually matched his colour of his sign writing up to match the equipment inside. And if I walk around to the side door here, we'll just have a quick look at the amount of storage left. So, 750 litre tank, and that just demonstrates the amount of room left. So there's be enough room here for either a pressure washer or a gutter vac. Customer has had a booster pump from us that will just boost up the water pressure and speed up the filling of the tank, and also make the RO membrane last longer as well. Then we've installed 2 storage tubes that hang from the ceiling of the van. Customers then opted to have 2 hex poles, a 22 and a 35 foot hex. Each brush has our internal rinse bar on there. That's the one that comes with 11 jets, and on this brush here it's got 9 jets. Each pole then is fitted with a univalve, so we can easily turn the water on and off while he's working behind a house. Each reel's then fitted with our 6mm 100 metres of hose. Customers chosen also to have each remote control for the reel actually permanently mounted on the reel. That's their preference. Okay, so if anybody's interested in having one of these systems fitted, they can get in touch with us via our website, they can email us, or you can call us on 0115 939 4444.